Today I slap some boxes, check out 2 new pairs of brand new Jordan 1s, and try to look cool in them. That's f***ing awesome. What's up, folks? This is Hosselhoff, and today we have shoe reviews. I bought some sneakers since you last saw my other 2 sneaker pickups and the Sneaker Flea mystery box. I got a couple of ASSC shirts. I have ordered 4 more new mystery box packet bag things. There's a really good chance I'll have a golden ticket in one of those, but that's not this video. That'll be one of the later videos when they actually get to send those out. You buy them, and about a month and a half later you get them. Anyway, today is about Jordan 1s. What I have here, I've actually purchased, and I've never put them on, but I'm gonna show you guys what they are. These are the metallic silver Jordan 1s, the Tokyo, the CO.JP versions. And then these that I'm going to unbox with you, I have not even opened and not seen yet in person. These are the ones I was really excited about. These are the Zen Green Jordan 1s that just came out last week. So these were, I took an L on this in the sneakers app like 3 weeks ago, and I took it my first W. My first dub. I was so excited. It actually works, by the way, guys. I've lost so many times now, but I'm pretty happy that I actually got one. So I'm gonna unbox these Zen Greens and the metallic silver, and I'll let you know what I think about them. Now, I'm not saying I'm a sneaker expert. I'll leave that to the Harrison Nevilles and Tony D2 Wilds and Blake Yarbroughs of the world. I'm just getting cool sneakers that I like, and I'll tell you what I think about them. Also, I have to shout out to my man D-Rock with the cool merch. So this is the Happiness is Success, something I really believe in, and there's a lot of folks that recently have been very fortunate that a couple folks asked me to rep their brand, and I said, look, you know, it really has to speak to me and make sense. This is something that makes sense to me, so thank you, D-Rock, appreciate it, and I'm excited to see more stuff. Let's start with these metallic silvers. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I purchased these. I got these from my man Khan over at Hype2407, and if you are an avid watcher of both Harrison Neville and I, that's where Harrison took me to get my first set of sneakers. So I got those from him. I didn't get these on the sneakers app, and this is the first time I'm actually pulling them out of the box and taking a look. I saw these initially and I thought, you know, a lot of people said they were pretty boring. I think even some of my friends thought, I'm gonna skip those, but I actually like them quite a bit. I think while they are kind of a monotone color, they've got a metallic silver here, and we got the Jordan 1 Japans. Paid a little more than retail, of course, these being a little bit hyped sneakers, but I was happy to do it, and Con treats me pretty well. So let's see. I've never unboxed a Jordan 1 before, or any real new sneaker that much. These look pretty interesting. This is somewhat reflective metallic, and then kind of a gray here. So I think it's the neutral gray with this metallic silver. And I like this because I rock a lot of black and red and orange, as you can see. I like red and orange. By the way, everyone knows this is my Wraith, but what you may not have seen before is this red Aventador behind me. The Aventador Roadster from my man Julien. Appreciate it. If you guys ever need to buy some jewelry, check out Moonglow Jewelry. Maybe if you buy enough, he'll give me one of these. But right now it's on loan for the next few weeks. He knows I'm a big fan, and he's a good friend, so he dropped it by while he was out of town, and I get to drive it. So in the meantime, pretty decent background, right? These, I think, are pretty simple, but I like them a lot. I think they're gonna go well with a lot of the colors that I wear, and depending on the outfit, I think it'll work out well. So now, this is gonna take a minute. You can check out, let's see. You can see the CO.JP, and these, I'm told, are actually a throwback kind of homage to a very similar shoe that released like 20 years ago in Japan. These are kind of the homage versions, not the originals. They were still pretty cool to come out, and I wanted them, so I got them. I will lace these up. Oh yeah, I think, here's it. It says 2001 and 2020. I think the original shoe was released in 2001, and this is the follow-up version. And I wouldn't want to buy 19-year-old shoes. Actually, I was talking to Harrison today, and he was debating about buying those 1995 Jordan 1s, and I really didn't see the point of buying really old shoes. I'll lace these up, see what they look like on feet. This is the first one that I laced, and obviously this is my first Jordan 1 I've ever laced, and I realized it looks kind of janky. And then so I started to look at how I was lacing it, and started going only over the tops instead of through the bottoms, and this one looks a lot nicer. So I'm not really sure how I'm gonna end up wearing these and what lace style. I do know that there are multiple patterns and how people lace them. I've seen them differently. A lot of my friends wear them very differently. I'm not sure that I'm of the idea that they're so loose that if you ran in them that they'd fall off. I guess you're not really running that much in Jordan 1s. They're more like street shoes, not athletic shoes. So, but, you know, you don't know. Like, what if something happens? You gotta run away. I don't know how I'm gonna wear them, but I think this one looks better than this one. All right, so now that we've seen the metallic silver Jordan 1s, I'm gonna open the Zen Green ones that I ordered. And this is how it kind of came, all kind of beat up a little bit, but this is how it came from Nike. And then there's the Nike Jordan 1 box. Whoop. Inside, regular paper, and check these out. Wow, the color is very interesting. I love the color. There's actually 2 different greens on this. Let's see. All right, so I just pulled these fresh out of the box. They come with all the crap in them. Notice that the laces have these lime green. So this is the Zen Green, right? And so obviously I knew what these looked like before I ordered them, but the Zen Green is this kind of lighter green with the suede part here. I do like these. This kind of reminds me actually of the off-white styles when they do this. It's not an off-white shoe, it's a zoom, which is what denotes the sole. I think that's why there's a bunch of all these Z's underneath there, and that looks fantastic. This does feel different though. The tongue part kind of feels cheaper somehow, and it almost looks a little more rigid on the edges, but I don't really know. Maybe it's just how it came out of the box. In any case, it's got 2 greens on it, so you'll notice that this is the lighter green here, and then it's got this kind of neon green also here inside of the 3M reflective swoosh. So it's got this neon green here, and then on the edges here, on the top, and on the inside, that's all the neon green versus the Zen Green itself. And then I do love these soles. So these soles, I don't know how they'll hold up over time, but this is supposed to be the Zoom versus the regular Jordan 1s, and it says Zoom on it here. Zoom Air. I will try to lace these up better than the last one, and then we'll take a look. All right, so I had a chance to lace these up. I did a better job on this one than I did on this one, but I did get a chance to also kind of appreciate the differences of texture here. I really like the suede, how it goes to the smooth leather, pleather, whatever it is here. I like this branded, the stamped Air Jordan, which is a little bit different than the metallic silvers. And then it goes to this kind of rayon material, whatever this is. You have it with the tongue, and of course the 3M reflective Nike swoosh. So this will be interesting. I don't know what it's gonna fit like, or how more or less comfortable it will be than the other Jordan 1s, and I have a pair of Jordan 1s as well. So these are now my 3rd Jordan 1s. I don't think I'm gonna rock these laces though. I think I like the black. I like the differences in how the black kind of flows together to me. I feel like the neon green, the accents are fine, but I don't need to kind of go out there with laces. Not that I'm opposed to being out there. I think I like the black laces for now, so I'm gonna leave those off. And I did also notice that you can see, you can kind of see that the quality, the level of quality is a little bit different. I don't know why on this one versus the other one, but you know, there's a lot of the threads that are loose here. It looks almost unfinished in some areas, and on an off-white, I would kind of assume that because Virgil Abloh talks about, you know, that being on purpose and why and all that stuff. That's great, but I'm not sure that these are like that. And then you can see kind of on the ends here that you just got some threads that aren't as well done. So, you know, it's strange. They're slightly different quality levels. But, you know, I do like the shoe. I think they're really cool colors. Perhaps that's why people are buying them right now, because of the cool colors. That's probably the only reason why. So I'll get these on feet and give you some cool shots and see what they look like on me. Hey folks, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. And also, thank you for getting me to the point that I just now got to yesterday, which is monetizations. It actually matters a lot for me to, one, know what you're liking, what you're not liking. If you like the actual video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you like these videos, you want to see more videos, you want to see more car stuff, you want to see more shoe stuff, let me know in the comments. But I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much. I just got to the monetization point. Now I'll be making like $8 a month on YouTube. Thanks again. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Fuck. These mosquitoes are killing me. Damn mosquitoes.